So it's been a few years since I learned Unity, and I was never actually able to finish an actual project with it. Every time I did wanted to make a game, I was like, yeah, I'll make it and I'll finish this one. And then after a few days, I eventually dropped it, and then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna work on it later. And then weeks passed by, and eventually I got tired of it, and then I was like, yeah, fuck it, I don't want to work on it anymore. And that's pretty much how all the time it went. And it's been about like 2 years now, and I have no idea what I'm doing with my life, and I'm not that good at Unity either. So this time I actually wanted to work on a project that I really have been looking forward to work on for the past 2 years. Now I thought to myself, what kind of project should it be? At first I wanted to make it like a PC game, but then I thought, why don't we just start with mobile at the beginning? I mean, I was gonna port the game onto the PC as well, but I just wanted to start off with a mobile game first, and I would eventually port the game once it's done to the PC platform as well, and I've uploaded it on h.io. And the mobile one, I was looking forward to like uploading it on Google Play Store. So yeah, this is my game, and it's pretty much a pixel art type of game because that was something that I always found really fascinating to look at. Pixel art was like, it was something else to me, okay? I really love pixel art, and what better way to express your creativity rather than just like, you know, just making it a 2D pixel art type of game. I always wanted to make one, so I thought, yeah, it's the best opportunity for me. So I actually started a project and I seriously worked on it, and so here's how much progress I made so far. So it's gonna be a pixel art game that focuses on the story mainly. And okay, just ignore this mess, really. Just, I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but it just sort of works. So yeah, I know I'm dumb. I really know that I'm dumb. What am I doing? I picked the assets up from h.io, the Greenwoods assets, and I edited some of these assets and made some changes to it, and also added some of my own, all combined together with some simple scripting and post-processing effects and placements, and you got yourself this. I really didn't thought that it was gonna come out this good, but I'm honestly proud of myself. And I also added this really cool shader effect that, you know, sort of like pixelates your shader, yeah, for sprites throughout time. Made the player controller, added some animations for walking and stuff. Made some more animations using the Sprite software, and also separated the layers. Now just ignore this, it just looks like this, but when you start playing the animation, it's just okay. I don't know why that happens, but yeah, it just sort of happens. For the dialogue system, I got a little bit creative and added like a trigger box, and also added an animation that was gonna be like when the player enters inside the trigger box, it's gonna like trigger an animation, and the pop-up text and the pop-up box is gonna appear. For the text, I decided to add them separately on the UI, and I know it's pretty heavy, but it still works. Now I'm stupid as fuck, that's why most of the things in the game are literally hard-coded. But you know, that doesn't really matter because it just works. Added the post-processing and lighting, it just looks amazing. To my surprise, I didn't even think it was gonna look this good. Yeah, sure, it does lag a lot when I port it to Android, but it still kind of works. So after a little bit of optimization, I think I can make it like run at a constant 60 on an Android phone. I made a player controller script, some canvas script, a save system, and a lot of other things which are hard-coded, as you can see. Most of these are just set active functions and on trigger enter functions, and just, you know, vector to position moving things. It's just simple, basic, hard-coded stuff, and it just sort of works, and it's very unoptimized, but it works. Now I've had a blast working on this project, and I would love to work on it in the future as well. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you liked, just leave a like, and I guess if you want to support, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Anyway, that's all the trash talk I had for you. Thanks for watching, even if you did watch. Yeah, see ya.